Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR or ZIP archives using RAR app on BLACKVIEW A70. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the files that we want to pack into archive, and mine are located in DCIM, camera, and there's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack. Now select all the files with these switches and then press on the plus button. Here you'll be able to change options on how this file is gonna be packed, and the first option is to pick the name for the archive, and this one is gonna be pictures. After that, select the extension, and here you can change it to be RAR or ZIP file. Set the password for the archive if you want. It's not necessary, but you can, so I'm just gonna do that. The password is gonna be 123. If you're not sure that the password is correct, click on show password, and that way you'll be able to see it. Press OK to save that. Next up, we have 2 options which we can enable or disable: delete files after archiving or create solid archive. In advanced you can find more advanced options, and in the options you can find even more options. Now if you go to the comments, you can leave any comment about this archive, and after setting everything, click OK. And your files will be packed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.